Now I'm going to begin my set, and for the set I've sectioned off a horseshoe sectioning from the front hairline that'll go through to the bottom of the crown, because all that's going to be forward. We want to get maximum volume. And then I sectioned off the fronts from just behind the ear, and then we have our back section. We're going to begin our set in the top section. This is a great trick if you don't have hot rollers, or if you're traveling and you don't want to bring a bunch of hot roller sets. I prefer to just use tin foil. Take a little bit of the texture volume spray and just put a little bit on the tin foil initially, just to help that hair stick to it a little bit more. I'm over directing this forward because when I roll it back, I really want that to sit on base. And then curl that down, and this tin foil is going to heat up and create a roller for me. I'm going to begin by releasing the rollers down, starting with the first one that I put in. Spray a little bit of the Boost liquid powder. Then I'm going to gently back brush it. I'm going to be using the Flex medium hold hairspray as I shape my style.